Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the IPTV Smarters Pro live TV player to your Fire Stick or your Android TV. Now, first of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store or from Google Play Store. To do so, just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader here. And here it is, already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on it, and here's the application which you need to download. But the best of it, we still have to set it up. To do so, we'll go to Settings, go to My Fire TV, and here we have to enable developer options for your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, if you cannot find developer options anywhere, don't worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see now at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps and turn that option on for the downloader. So what it does, it's going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily via official Amazon App Store. That's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now when you go to a list of apps on your device, you'll find the loader here. But what I also recommend before using the loader is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I use NordVPN mostly because I have a great app for Fire Sticks or any other device. They are super fast and not expensive. So I just select any country to stay private and safe online and to stay out of trouble when downloading something from the internet. And if you are in a market for VPN, you can use my promo link for Inward, which will be in the pinned comment below this video, to get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is a great deal. And after you got VPN connected and set up, let's go to the loader. So open the app, and here in that search bar we have to type a link, which is going to be IPTVSmarters.com. You'll see it on the screen in a moment. So here's the link you need to use, and then click on Go. Make sure to enter the link exactly as you see on the screen. Then a website is going to open, which we have to scroll down a bit until you see the downloads section, the new version. And then if you scroll down a bit more, you'll find the direct download 8K file link. Click on it, and now we are going to download the IPTV Smarters to your Fire Stick. Click on Install in the right bottom corner, and then press on Done, so we'll have an option to delete the installation file, because we don't need it anymore. Click on Delete, and delete once again. Then when you go to the list of apps near your device, you'll find the IPTV Smarters application. Of course, don't forget to use a VPN if you are IPTV, and then open the app. Select your device type as TV, then accept the license agreement. And from this moment, everything is quite simple. You can add the M3U playlist, which is the most common way to add playlists. Click on it, allow access to your files. Here, just name your playlist, then select whether you want to upload a file or use the M3U link. And after you do that, just click on Add Playlist. Alternatively, you can also use the Extreme Codes. So let's go back. Here's the Extreme Codes option. Here you can set a name, your username, password, and the link which is provided by your provider. And then you can go to the bottom, click on List Playlists to see the list of your playlists. And pretty much that's it. If the video is helpful, make sure to click on the like button. Don't forget to get a NordVPN via my link in the pinned comment below. And see you next time. Bye bye.